Bruce Beretta. I have a company, DA Beretta Proprietary Limited. We're based in Geelong in Victoria. We've been going since 1959. I'm second generation. So this project is for Regional Development Victoria, and it is to connect a new environmental ecology centre called Wildlife Wonders on the Great Ocean Road at Marengo. On this project, in this particular area here, we've just dropped in a brand new Rehau Awashaft. We've done that this morning in only a couple of hours on a reasonably high flow main. So compared to a concrete component manhole, we've done this project in a third the time, so there's a big time saving overall just on this part of the installation for us. As far as safety goes, being easily managed by hand, they're not heavy, they're not dangerous, you're not risking anybody moving heavy components around. As a company, DA Beretta Proprietary Limited have been dealing with Reece since probably the late 70s, like very, very early days. On this particular job, we've had a fair bit of consultation with the manager of our civil Geelong branch, and has specified the Rehau Awashaft for this job, and knowing that we've got, you know, a time constraint and that we needed something easy to work with here. We've got several projects coming up where they will be specified in. We're able to use them, and it'll be a lot quicker for us. A lot of work in roadways where they're time critical. So that product, the Rehau Awashaft, will save us a lot of time and help the job get moving a bit quicker.